Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Your phone, charged, and connected to mobile data. Open the Hotspot settings now. On Android, go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering, and on iPhone, open Personal Hotspot. Once there, find the SSID and the password field. Don't leave this to guesswork. Tap the password box to edit. You're about to replace the old key with a stronger one, which keeps devices secure when they connect. You now choose a robust password, at least 8 characters, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a symbol so it resists guessing. Enter it into the Hotspot password field, and if prompted, retype to confirm. Use the visibility toggle to check accuracy before saving. Once you tap Save or Apply, the change takes effect immediately, and connected devices will be disconnected. That's intentional. Make sure you know the new passphrase before reconnecting devices so you can restore access quickly. You finish by reconnecting each device to the SSID using the new password. If a device won't connect, tell it to forget the network and try again. That clears cached credentials. If the hotspot stops broadcasting, toggle the hotspot off and on and reboot your phone. Many issues clear with a restart. Finally, make sure your carrier plan allows tethering. If connections are blocked, check APN settings or contact support. One quick call can save you time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.